Welcome to Module 5. Module 5 introduces you to the idea that pretending to write is perfectly fine. Children in pre-K strongly believe they have the capability to write. It is our job as teachers and parents to support that idea. It is in this level of writing in which differentiating instruction plays an important role. The main purpose of differentiated instruction is that you meet the individual needs of students. You plan instruction that will enhance the writing development of each individual and not just writing instruction for a group of students. As a parent and as a teacher, you must make sure that children have the materials they need to develop their writing. These materials do not only include paper and pencil, but also magnetic letters, paintbrushes, markers, computers, and pens. It is important that children have the opportunity to interact with others when learning to write. This interaction allows children not only to socialize, but also to be an active participant of the planning of instruction and allows them to learn in a playful manner. It is very important to take into account the 7 stages of word construction introduced by Soulsby. These stages are introduced in Chapter 6 and described in the instructional PowerPoint for this week. The importance of drawing and writing when learning to write is once again addressed in these stages. Some of the components in the learning environment of the students that will guarantee success in writing include an environment that invites, stimulates, and supports early writing. Scaffolding instruction is also one of the main keys to writing success. There are different methods to engage children when teaching writing. One of them is to write to children with activities such as a daily message, signs, and newsletters. Another method is by writing with children in which the teacher and parents help the child with spelling and punctuation. The last method mentioned in Chapter 6 is writing done by children, in which children make their own creations and the teacher and parents encourage them to pretend writing if children cannot elaborate on a topic on their own. Last, Chapter 6 also focuses on the importance of the relationship between reading and writing. It is important that children are exposed to good literature. This allows them to see how good writers write. As a teacher and parent, you can read to children and allow them to participate by asking or answering questions. Children can also read by themselves, which is also known as independent reading. Independent reading allows children to adopt adult-like behavior when reading and to develop checking for understanding strategies.